Hey, in today's 2-minute travel trailers, I want to go over the brand new 25 New Camp Tap 360. Let's check out this awesome camper and let me know what you think.
All right, the Tap 360 has finally hit the market. Comes with a 2-inch ball up front, that manual tongue jack, and this huge diamond plate storage box up front with a lock now. There's a special door over on the side for the propane. There's a door back here to store things like sewer lines that aren't in this camper, so it doesn't matter, but we can store other things there. This comes with a handle. Comes with a 5-gallon cassette toilet. These weigh 2,700 pounds. Has a Nautilus system down underneath for all of our water, outside shower, winterizing, water pump, satellite. This has that beautiful Stargazer window. We have 4 stabilizer jacks all around the corners. Beautiful landscape graphic on the side. Nice boondock handle to get in. Beautiful flip down tubular style step with a light. On the inside, we'll notice they put that beautiful 12-volt fridge in here with a freezer door. Storage above. Combo style sink / 2-burner stove with that beautiful window up front. Over into our wet bath with heat. That sink also has a faucet that goes up into our shower. We have our TV, microwave, overhead storage, overhead shelf, dual pane windows, nice big beds with storage underneath. This comes with the 2 twin beds in here. Over here is our nightstand. USBs in the back, shelf along the back side. Over here we have our dinette that flips down into another bed for us, spot for our shoes, storage right when we come in for our keys or whatnot. Over here is our power control, more shelving, 12-volt fan up top, and a bunch of storage underneath the sink. Also up top near the sink, we have our charging station. Over here, some drawers. They utilize the space the best they can.
Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. What'd you think of the 25 360 by New Camp? If you like these kind of videos, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And if you want a full, thorough walkthrough video, let's check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.